Hello there.
Good morning.
We are going to a pyrotechnic show in the middle of the afternoon, so I don't know how it's going to be.
Yes, it's gonna be at all.
But it's
And
Sunday and it's a lot of celebration. We are going right now in front of a lot of people. We will show you later.
go, Buster. Now it's raining.
Now it's very, very rainy.
Very.
Very much. But we are near home, so the spectacle was fine. But it was very short. It was 5 minutes, literally.
Okay, we arrived back a bit wet after
A
rain.
little bit, yeah.
So, what was that? Santi? What was
I
that?
think they want to make more than noise, like the because they have a lot of very big like powder that you don't see but you feel it. Like,
Yes, and earth
was and
sound, the most essential.
it
was not visible, you
not
couldn't-
visible. Like for me, when we do in Colombia fireworks, it's always in the night because you can see the show. Here is more like the sound, and maybe that's why also the kids are all the time like throwing petards and stuff because it's like the
all these days, all the week.
all the day, yeah, every day. Even in the 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, they are throwing these fireworks, but it's mostly the sound because yeah, and the performance, because what I read is like a special guy that comes to performance here in Valencia also. But it's more like sound, just like
Yeah.
it's like the
It's their tradition. What nothing to say. It's just
no, we don't know anything about it, so
Yeah.
it's my guess. My guess
Valencia.
is
This part, not
all the sound of all the zone of Valencia.
Yeah, not all
We
the
are
country.
under Valencia now, so like
So we saw it.
all the
Yes.
cities
Also,
near.
we woke up. I will put part maybe here.
Oh yeah,
How was it? Because it was
8 in the morning.
8 in the morning. Then at
Fireworks.
9. Then at 10.
The
Parade.
music parade, yeah.
Everywhere, yeah, with instrumental music and women and men in the national clothes.
Yeah.
And they were walking everywhere around.
Yes. Last night I couldn't sleep. I don't know why. I went to bed like at 4:30, and then at 8
every hour was something.
Yeah.
I also woke up early. I couldn't sleep anymore. So
We will see. Like we arrive exactly for this carnival.
yes.
So
It's not finished yet. Still
Yeah.
few days of.
yeah, on the 19th, we told you I think about the burning stuff. They will burn all these huge statues they built.
But it's in a few days, so,
Yeah, so
stay here.
So one more week of fireworks and party. But I'm happy it's not when Maximilian is first week here, because imagine a newborn with all this
Yes.
noise. It will be very difficult.
But even where we were now, there were a lot of kids, and I think the most scary was me from all of the people.
No, what I mean is like imagine we are sleeping,
Yeah,
or
and then
baby
it-
finally goes to sleep, and then and it will be like
Even we
We'll get
couldn't
scared,
sleep,
yeah.
so yeah.
yeah. So stay tuned, and we will keep showing you our life in Gandia.
We have lunchtime, and it's again delicious borscht.
Oh yes.
Looks so beautiful.
Thank you. I shower here.
Yes, very beautiful. And a bit of sun comes back.
Came out, yeah.
Not raining anymore. And we are watching favorite serial, Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Yes.
After we made the pizza, we will put the jamon iberico on top of it, so it's warm, but it will not damage it.
Okay.
Interesting. And there is two, yeah.
Some mushrooms.
Put some bacon also. You can put more cheese. Cut this a little bit. Two only. We don't have a shredder,
Ooh.
we have this.
Very nice.
Salt Bay. No, we will put just three. I think that
Don't fall in love, okay?
I already did.
Okay.
I already did. With you, of course.
Who believe in this?
We have a new creation out of a pizza with only cheese and tomato. We make this mix. So
Okay, explanation.
hello there.
We don't have explanation. Because we also don't know what was that.
We heard a lot of fireworks, and then
Yeah. So in the night they also do.
it was a lot, and I was like, what the fuck? But I didn't see nothing on the schedule, and then I checked the schedule, and it was at 23:30. So we got out to watch the fireworks, but we watched only like 2 minutes,
Yeah, a bit, which we put in the video.
and then it was a lot of people, and it's what you see on
Yeah.
the video already.
And then it's party, hard party.
Party,
Mostly
everyone, yeah. It's Monday. actually.
teenagers
Yeah, mostly teenagers.
on Monday.
Yeah.
Who else can? Can you hear? It's all the time, from morning till night, from lunch till dinner, all the time.
Yeah.
I got scared 1 million of times.
Yeah, it's funny because it's very small one, and she's like,
How not?
I'm from
possible?
Colombia, my friends. I don't.
And I'm from Ukraine, so understandable, no?
We bought some bullshit.
Yay.
It's Coca-Cola time for me. But I'll show yours.
No,
Show yours.
I'm good too.
Show
pregnant
yours.
woman.
No, you're not good pregnant woman. He wants chocolate. It's not you.
Yeah.
Okay, we found the way home.
Yeah, we couldn't actually.
it was funny, but we decided not to use phone.
Yeah, just to walk, to
Just to walk,
explore
uh-huh.
more, and we actually found few
And
nice
actually,
places.
we were in places where we were not before. Like tonight, after we go to the fireworks, Nastia said like, "Let's go another way," and I was like, "Okay." And then we found some other place right here that is next to our home that we have never been there.
Yes, very close and totally new for us.
Yeah. So yeah.
It was interesting experience, but I think its celebration don't finish. It's not
No,
finished.
no, it's finished on the 19th, so 3 more
Okay.
days. 2 or 3 more days.
Yes, so we will let you know.
We will let you know. Thank you for
Thank
watching.
you for staying with us.
Subscribe if you want, and active the bell so you
Yes.
receive notifications when we
And
upload.
and thumbs up, and not
Oh.
thumbs down.
What?
Thumbs
Thumbs,
up.
thumbs up. All right. Sleep tight.
Good night.